With that, I would like to invite us to have a few moments of silence together, some meditation, if you will. So if you're comfortable, please close your eyes, feet on the ground. If you can, just rest your hands in your lap, open to the sky. And with each breath in, just quietly say to yourself, I am opening my heart. And with each exhale, you can quietly say to yourself, I am letting go. I am opening my heart. I am letting go. And as that heart space opens, I invite you to imagine a warm glow. A warm glow of love and peace, generating, expanding, nurturing. Imagine this is that light within you. And allow that presence to expand with each breath. And take a moment to acknowledge in this moment the sources of love, those sources of support. The places you found where you could speak your voice, shine your brightest. And bring our attention to our feet on the earth. Our great mother, Earth, Gaia. And bring into your awareness the nurturing, the support, the life that has been offered, provided, shaped. And allow that beauty to wrap around you. Maybe you can recall a walk through the trees, the forest, a seaside visit, a great plain, a moment of beauty that you've captured in your memory. Just have that wrap around you. Feel how it just allowed you to be, didn't ask for anything. All you had to do was pause, become present, and notice. And also take a moment to notice whether you've been Martha, or you've been Adam, or you've been Nicodemus, or you've been Mary, at any time where that spoke to you as something you've endured, experienced. Just allow that wrap of love to soothe you, to acknowledge it's part of the journey, and that it's part of who you are today. And so bring your heart to it. Bring your love, your peace, your presence. And as we close, we acknowledge we are in the perfect and right place right now. There's nothing to fix. There's nothing broken. We are whole and we are complete. And as you're ready, you can take a breath in. You can say your own thank yous, your own gratitude, and come back to this room.